Hey friends, welcome to my channel Beauty in 2 minutes. Hey my beauties, how are you doing? If you want to revitalize dull and damaged hair just in one wash, then follow this step. Let's make a magical hair mask. For this, take a ripe avocado. Take 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Enjoy and give this video a thumbs up. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mix all these 3 very well. Apply this hair mask for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with mild shampoo. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever there is new video upload. Subscription is totally free, my friends. In just one wash, this magical hair mask can revitalize your damaged hair. See the result all by yourself. Share your experience with us. We love to know from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.